Morning, welcome to Repair. So, another day of this pink laptop. I feel like it is never ending at the minute. So this is a Dell Inspiron 1525. Hopefully you've seen it in a few of our other videos already. There's a bit of an ongoing saga with repairing this thing. I swear I've spent more money and more time than it is definitely worth. So today I'm going to do a keyboard replacement on it. Which is one of the last things that it needs doing just to bring it up to scratch. I've already done a new hard drive, done a screen, lid and hinge replacement. I may have to do the touchpad as well, but that's a whole nother story. So there we go. So we'll crack straight on with this. This is a very, very quick and very simple replacement. It will not take you more than about 5 minutes. So I will walk you through that now. So first thing we need to do is remove this bezel. Now, just be aware there is a small connector behind that controls the buttons and stuff, so just be gentle when you lift it out. You just need something to pry this up with. I've always just used a Phillips screwdriver, so I'll try and move this into shot. So this edge here, just get something under there and pry it up. And then it will just pull out like that. And then there's your connector underneath. So this little thing pulls towards us, and then the whole cable will just slide out. Now obviously someone has done this many times before because the cable looks proper battered. And that is that. That's the whole buttons and things out. Next thing we're going to do, there should be 2 screws in here. Where someone has stripped this out before and not put the screws back, there is no screws. So at that point we can just literally lift it out. And then we can see our ribbon connector down here. So all you do, lift this up and the whole thing will pop open, and then you just pull it away, and that's the keyboard out. Now, being as this is just going to be a real Billy Basic thing, I haven't stressed about getting the same colour, so I've just gone for a generic black one, which is absolutely fine. Doesn't make any difference to how it's going to be used. So what we're going to do is get our connection in first. So find your ribbon cable, fold it over like that, and slot it down in, and then lock the connection closed just like that, and that's all you do, and it will sit in place. And then our little teeth along the bottom here, will line them back up, and then push down on the edges and it will click in, and you'll hear it click. Now, because these screws have been previously removed, I don't have any replacements, so I'm not going to put them back in. The top plasticky bit will hold the keyboard in place, so I'm not too stressed about it. So what we've got to do now is get this assembly back in. So line it up, flip it over, and then with the black tab upwards and the little silver teeth downwards, we're going to slot this back in here as carefully as we can. Just like that. And slide the little locking clip closed if it will close, which it doesn't want to agree with me at the minute. Let's disconnect that again. Hopefully we can get this in here this time. And there we go. So that is now connected. So turn this back over. Try and tuck your ribbon cable in a little bit so it's not protruding onto anything. And then I tend to tuck these back bits in first just because it makes it a little bit easier. And then we'll push this end piece down. Hopefully it will go in. There you go. It's just a question of pushing it down now, and it will get there eventually. There we go. So we'll just have to find all the clips. And then with the clips at the back, the easiest way I find to do this is generally just to close the lid, and then you can work them shut. And that's it. There's our new keyboard in. So that's our old one. And this is our new one. Buttons aren't quite exactly the same, but again, there's just a few extra controls on the top here. But the the general keys for the monitor and whatnot are all in the same places. So this is absolutely fine. This will do the job. It's a compatible one, so it's all good. So yeah, hopefully you found that useful. This really does take about 5 minutes. It's not a long job at all. I mean, what are we on now? 5 minutes and 14 seconds with me yammering on as well. So you can probably do this in less than 5 minutes, including taking the keyboard out and popping a new one in. This looks a lot cleaner, a lot tidier now. I actually think I prefer the black over the silver anyway, so hopefully the new owner of this will find it just as good. Anyway, if you like the video, drop us a like, leave us a comment, press the little bell icon so you get future notifications of our videos, and keep on watching. It does us wonders to support the channel. I will try and link the previous videos that I've done on this one above as well, so you can look at the history of that. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.